Eucalyptus isn't just another plant, it's a powerful natural remedy packed with incredible health benefits that can transform your wellness journey. From respiratory relief to pain management, this remarkable botanical offers solutions you never knew existed. 1. Respiratory Rescue Powerhouse. Eucalyptus is a game changer for respiratory health, containing a powerful compound called cineol or eucalyptol that helps combat multiple breathing challenges. Clinical studies have shown remarkable results, including significant improvements in bronchitis symptoms and reduced coughing frequency. The essential oil can help clear airways, reduce congestion, and provide relief from conditions like asthma, sinusitis, and common colds. 2. Immune System Superhero. Your body's defense mechanism gets a serious boost from eucalyptus. Research published in BMC Immunology demonstrates that eucalyptus can enhance the immune system's ability to destroy dangerous pathogens. Its natural anti-inflammatory and immunomodulatory properties stimulate white blood cell activity, helping prevent respiratory infections. 3. Natural Pain Management Solution. Suffering from muscle or joint pain? Eucalyptus might be your unexpected ally. Studies have revealed its powerful analgesic properties, making it an excellent massage oil for arthritis, sports injuries, and post-surgical pain. One fascinating study found that patients recovering from knee surgery experienced significantly reduced pain and blood pressure after inhaling eucalyptus oil. 4. Mental clarity and stress reduction. Beyond physical benefits, eucalyptus offers remarkable mental health advantages. Its invigorating scent can enhance mental clarity, combat fatigue, and reduce stress. Aromatherapy practitioners recommend diffusing eucalyptus oil to create a refreshing atmosphere that promotes productivity and relaxation. 5. Antimicrobial marvel. Eucalyptus isn't just pleasant smelling, it's a powerful defender against harmful microorganisms. Its essential oils demonstrate strong antimicrobial properties, effectively combating bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Some research even suggests it might be more effective against certain viral infections than standard medications. By incorporating eucalyptus into your wellness routine, you're not just using a plant, you're unleashing a natural powerhouse of health benefits. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen, and prepare to be amazed by the shocking potential of this incredible botanical.